Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home improvement products. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best tint window film on the market, the Coavas one-way window privacy film. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and stylish solution to enhance your privacy while still keeping your view, this film could be exactly what you need. Let's start with what makes this window tint stand out. First off, it's designed to provide daytime privacy, allowing you to see out while preventing people from looking in. This is especially helpful for homes or offices where you want to block the view from the outside, but still enjoy the natural light. It's a reflective mirror-like film, meaning that from the outside, your windows appear like mirrors during the day, offering great privacy. But, as with most films of this type, it does work best when there is more light on the outside than inside. Now, this film is more than just about privacy. It's also a protective shield for your home. The Coavas window film blocks up to 88% of harmful UV rays, which can damage your skin and furniture over time. Not only that, it also blocks about 90% of infrared rays, helping to keep the temperature inside your home cooler during the summer months. That means lower cooling costs and a more comfortable living space, especially during those hot days. Another major benefit is its thermal protection. This window film helps reduce heat transfer, making it an energy-efficient option for your home. This can be a game changer for those who live in warmer climates or want to cut down on air conditioning usage. For those who love a good DIY project, you'll be happy to know that installing this film is a breeze. The Coavas one-way window privacy film comes with an easy-to-follow installation kit, which includes a squeegee, knife, and sprayer. The adhesive is static cling, which means no sticky mess, and it's easy to remove if needed. All you need to do is peel off the transparent backing, spray soapy water on both the glass and the film, and then smooth it out with the squeegee. The application process is simple, even if you're new to window tinting. What makes this film even more reliable is its durability. It's made from PET material, which is 5 times more impact resistant than PVC. This makes it not only a great privacy solution but also an extra layer of protection for your windows. It's explosion-proof, providing an added safety measure in case of accidents. If you're worried about nighttime privacy, it's important to note that this film is designed for daytime use. At night, when the outside is darker than the inside, people can see in. So, if privacy at night is a concern, you might want to consider additional solutions like curtains or blinds for the night. In conclusion, the Coavas one-way window privacy film is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home's privacy, heat control, and UV protection. Whether you're interested in improving your home's aesthetics or cutting down on energy costs, this tint offers an easy-to-install, long-lasting solution that checks all the boxes. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews, and we'll catch you in the next one.